We're not supposed to be eating meat, bro. Look up the scientific studies, bro. Eating meat is known to give somebody cancer, known to kill people, give them all type of shit. You get sick by eating meat, bro. And a lot of people know this, but nobody wants to stop. Because you can't control yourself. You're an animal. You're being an animal. You're eating an animal. You're turning you to an animal. You're turning into a savage. Because energy is everything. And you're eating low vibrational energy. Even your Pharaoh exposed this years ago. Shout out to him. That's my nigga. But listen. When you eat meat, or before you, let's go back. When animals are in these factories, you know, when they get snatched up by these fucking demons, they're scared, they have anxiety, they're depressed. They probably angry too, you know, irritated, agitated, you know, feel trapped. This is everything these animals feel, these innocent animals. This is what they feel before they get hurt. So you know, they have these negative vibrations within them. Because how would you feel if you was locked in a factory about to get killed, knowing nobody's going to save you? You'll feel the same way. So with these animals, this is how they feel. So energy never dies. Energy is only transferred. Energy cannot be created nor destroyed, only transferred. So energy can get transferred. So they already have this negative energy within them. So now when you go to McDonald's and you about to get you a quarter pounder or a number 5, whatever the hell y'all eat, and when you go to McDonald's and you about to get this Big Mac, little did you know, I mean, when it come to McDonald's, bro, the meat in there is probably, it be human meat. It got dead baby DNA in it. Bro, it got rat DNA in it. Bro, it's animal, bro, it's weird shit in there. But back to what I was saying. If you about to go get you, let's say you about to get you a Big Mac or a double cheeseburger. Little did you know that this meat, the energy off this meat is very dark. Because this animal was scared. The animal was agitated, irritated, and feeling very bad. And this energy gets put onto you. So what this does is it lowers your vibrations. It makes you sick, we know that. Meat makes niggas sick. So what this does is it makes you mad. It makes you sad. And it makes you lazy. Nigga, if you eat meat, nigga, you gon' fall asleep. You know that, right? You know, like, man, we don't even got a debate on this. You know how it is, nigga. If you, hold up. You know how it is, nigga. You eat dinner, right? You eat like a burger or some shit. And then goddamn, you tired. You know why you tired, right? Because it's low energy. Okay, if you eat a fruit, how you gonna feel? Nigga, you're not about to be tired, nigga. Stop lying. Nigga, you gonna feel happy as fuck. And it's weird ass people. So what I'm trying to say is, meat makes you tired, it makes you irritated, it makes you mad, it makes you a negative person. Don't believe me? Nigga, why is everybody mad that eat meat all the time? Why is niggas so negative that eat meat? If you pay attention, motherfuckers that you want to avoid and motherfuckers you want to stay away from and that you notice is negative, they eat meat. You know that, right? Your worst enemies eat meat, trust me. So, stop the cap. Nigga, you don't see vegans or niggas that don't eat meat all mad all the time. Or, I mean, think about it like this, right? Think